Hey friends, welcome back to Food Prep Guide. We are out in the garden again with another gardening tip for you today, and this time it's about onions. I was just out here doing a garden walk and trying to make a to-do list later for this weekend, and I saw my onions and I wanted to show you what I saw and what I'm going to do about it. So what I noticed is that I have a lot of yellowing going on. Now, it's not unheard of for these very bottom or first leaves to yellow, but I'm also getting yellowing at the tips up here. And another thing I noticed is that it doesn't seem like there's been a whole lot of growth that has happened over the last week. So not only am I dealing with yellowing in the leaves, yellowing at the tips, I'm also dealing with stunted growth. And what that tells me is that it is time for some nitrogen. Now, when I first plant these onions, I watered them in with fish fertilizer. And then about 2 weeks later, I fertilized them again with fish fertilizer. And so it has been 3 to 4 weeks since the last fish fertilizer application, and I'm starting to notice those two things that we just discussed. So now it's time to start heavy nitrogen feeding. Onions need nitrogen, and they need it in large volumes. When I am starting the heavy nitrogen fertilizing phase of onions, I use blood meal. That's my preferred nitrogen booster. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk along the rows and sprinkle some of this blood meal in. And what that does is it's going to help the green leaves grow a lot faster and a lot bigger. And that is very important for onions because for every green leaf you see, it represents one layer of the onion. And if you are going to be growing onions in large volume for storage, you want those onions to last as long as possible. And so you want to cure them for long-term storage. And for that, you need lots and lots of layers on your onions. Not only that, but that's how they get bigger, right? But you want a lot of layers to get that curing process and make them last longer as well. So during the early growth phase of onions, it's very important to give them high nitrogen fertilizer to get that onion growth. Now, I discussed the signs that I needed to get into that nitrogen phase, which was the stunted growth and the yellowing of the leaves. But after this phase, I probably will do one more application of blood meal, and then I'm going to be looking for signs of the next phase, and that is bulbing. When the base of the onion, you can see this one's kind of sticking out of the soil a little bit, and you can see it more than you can see like some over here, but you will start noticing the base part of that onion pushing out of the soil a little bit, but also you can start noticing significant enlargement of that bulb. And at that point, you want to stop all nitrogen fertilizing. You don't want any more growth going into, or you don't want any more energy. You don't want the plant exerting energy on leaf growth at that stage. You want all of its energy going to forming that big bulb. So you want to stop nitrogen fertilizing at that point. So I'm going to get you set up and get these things fertilized and watered in, and we will see you on the next video.